What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back here working on the 2023 Silverado, and this is the one I bought out of Toronto, Ontario, and shipped it over here. So I just, in the last video, I fixed all the airbags in it, and I was changing the uniside on it. So I got it pretty darn close. I got everything cleaned up here. I just needed to do a little bit of spray on some weld-through primer, and then spray on some weld-through primer on the new uniside here, but got everything fitting pretty darn nice, and it should be pretty much ready to fit up there. So I just want to take the truck off the hoist, and it'll be a little bit easier to fit everything up when it's not on the hoist, and I can also fit the doors on and make sure all the gaps are nice. But everything lines up really good. I mean, you can pretty much just line it up with this exact factory paint line here, and the spot welds all line up in all the original spots. So it's just a matter of getting these 3 spots welded up real nice, and then I can just do all the body work, or just sand it all down, and then can start the body work. So it'd be nice to get in this video, hopefully get this thing welded on and get it all prepped for some paint, and maybe take the dent out of the box there, but that might be a stretch. So let's see, get this rocker panel on here and then get it all prepped for paint. Alright, so it's the next day here, and I got the rocker panel all welded up except for the bottom seam there, so everything's looking pretty good, and the gaps turned out pretty good. So got it pretty much all ground down there, and same with on this one here. So I'm pretty much ready to, I want to throw this box on first, and then I can make sure everything lines up on the box. So I push the dento there, and then I just have to finish the spot welds along the bottom there, and then I'll have to put some new seam sealer on the back once that's all welded up there. But the box, I was popping this dent out here, and I think I got it pretty darn close. It actually pushed out pretty easy. So I just have this one little bit of something right here, but I just want to put it back on the truck and make sure this is in the right spot, and it's this just pushed out because it really didn't bend. It just kind of tweaked it so it moves around pretty easy. So once I throw it back on the truck here, I should be able to just get it, make sure it's in the right spot, and then I can finish just a little bit of body work and get this real nice, and then maybe put a little bit of filler if I need in there, because I'll have to paint at least to like probably around here, so on the box, and then just clear coat the rest of it. But that can go back on there, and then I can start the body work on this rocker panel here. So I need to do a little bit of body work obviously along here, and then all my spot welds, just put a little putty over them just to make them look nice and clean. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So this door sill needs to be adjusted a little bit here to go up. It's actually just loose right now, but and then also this dent on the fender here, I kind of just like pushed on the back and it pretty much just popped right out. So I'll have to do a little bit of hammer and dolly to get the last couple little dings out of here and to get it all straightened out. But it's actually pretty darn close. I just literally just pushed on the back and just snapped back out of there. So yeah, everything else is looking pretty good. So let's go throw this box on here, and I'll probably put it back up on the hoist just to weld that bottom seam all the way up here. And Zeke wants me to play fetch with him. Alright, so I got this bottom seam all welded up here, and I just ground it all down, and I went over it again, and if I had any like little pinholes or anything, I just went and welded them up again. So the bottom's all wrapped up here, and so I do a little bit of body work now. So I have a couple little dents in this door, one up here and one up here, and then work on some body work on this box side here too. But everything's looking pretty good, and I think this might need to come out just a tiny bit maybe, but it definitely looks a lot better than it did before. And to obviously pull all these little dents, but definitely a lot closer than it was, and everything lines up pretty good. And the front door is actually still loose. I was just trying to adjust it, but I just need someone to hold it for me while I tighten it up. But I did get it pretty darn close. And then same with the front fender, just needs a little bit of body work. But I'm gonna finish up this other truck first here, so probably put this one on the back burner for a couple days while I get the other one all painted up, and then I'll take this one and do all the paint work on it and get this one all finished up. So it's pretty darn close. I mean, besides that, I think I just have some little bit of body work and paint, and this will be done. So I'll do a video on that next of just doing all the paint work on it and finishing this one up 100%. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, for putting on a new rocker panel on this one. And thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. Peace.